Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, we're going to show you how to create a trending slide animation in PowerPoint, inspired by the movie Inside Out. It's a fun and simple way to make your slides stand out. First, let's open your PowerPoint presentation and insert an image onto your slide. Once the image is in place, right-click on it and choose Format Shape. Now, head over to the 3D rotation settings and select Perspective Front. Set the perspective to 0 degrees for a clean, centered look. Next, duplicate the slide. On the new slide, adjust the Y rotation to 280 degrees and change the perspective to 45 degrees. Then, position the image at the bottom of the slide. Now it's time to bring in the characters. Insert 5 character images into your PowerPoint presentation. Select all of them, copy them, and paste them into the first slide. Resize and position the images at the bottom of the slide to make them fit just right. Now, let's move on to the second slide. Duplicate it and, this time, give the images a slight rotation. Next, grab a text box and add your text. Copy the text, go back to the second slide, and paste it in. Position it at the top of the slide. Moving on to the third slide, duplicate it again. Adjust the text to the top and make sure the images are back in their normal positions. If there are any unnecessary images, go ahead and delete them. Select all the images and adjust them so they look just how you want. Let's add a parallelogram shape now. Insert it and resize it to fit your slide. Duplicate it 4 times to add some extra depth. Select all the shapes and right-click to Send to Back. Then, select all the images and resize them. Making sure they fit nicely with the shapes on the slide. Next, we're going to give the shape some color. Next, select the shape, go to the Format tab, and click on Gradient Fill. Adjust the colors to match the character colors. Once you're happy with the shape's color, repeat the same process for all the other shapes, applying a gradient fill that complements the character colors. And don't forget to remove the outlines for a clean look. Now, let's work with the images. Resize the 4 images, making the first one a little bigger. Then, add your text back into the slide. Duplicate the slide again. And this time, adjust the first image back to its normal size and remove the text. Move the shapes to the right side of the slide. Repeat this for all the images, making sure to resize them as needed. Now for the final touch. First, select all the shapes and make a copy. Then, go to the third slide and paste them in. Once they're in place, align them to the center and middle of the slide. Finally, shift the shapes slightly to the left, moving them just outside the slide. And that's it. Your animation is coming together perfectly. Once you've got all the images and text just how you want, select all your slides. Go to the Transitions tab and select the Morph transition. And there you have it, you've just created a trendy slide animation in PowerPoint. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials.